this training, we'll walk through the Autopost screen in Chart Talk, your central workspace for efficiently processing insurance payments, patient payments, and electronic remits. We'll cover how to download electronic remits, filter your payment queue, use the insurance check entry and patient payment tools, apply payments and adjustments, and submit claims to secondary payers. To begin, click the Sync 835 button. Chart Talk will automatically download and parse all available electronic remits from your clearinghouse. By default, the Autopost screen shows unprocessed payments. Once a payment is opened and applied, it's marked as processed. If you need to remove a payment without applying it, mark the row as Done and click Submit. Use the Payer filter to narrow your results. You can select multiple payers and click Filter. Other filter fields update dynamically as you type. Pro tip: make sure cookies are enabled for your Chart Talk site. This allows your filter settings to be saved when you return. The Insurance Check Entry tool allows you to manually build a paper EOB and apply payments in one place. Start by entering the check details in the header, including the payer, check number, amount, and payment type, such as physical check, direct deposit, or insurance credit card. If your system supports it, you can even process insurance credit cards directly from this tool. Next, build the EOB one line at a time. Select a patient, choose a charge, enter the payment and adjustment, and click Add. You can include comments like deductible, which will appear on the patient statement. When you mark a charge as finished, any remaining balance is assigned to patient responsibility. This is different from marking a row Done on the Autopost screen. Done removes it from view, while Finished updates the financial responsibility. To speed up entry, use keyboard shortcuts, tab between fields, use the arrow keys to navigate charges, and press the spacebar to select. The patient payment tool works similarly to the accept payment tool, but without credit card processing. Enter the patient name, payment type, and amount, then select the charges and save. To review an electronic remit, click the circle eye icon. This view shows how the claim was processed and helps you determine whether to mark it finished or send it to another payer. You can click Accept All to apply all payments and adjustments and assign any remaining balance to the patient, or choose Select All Except Finished if the balance will be sent to a secondary payer. Comments added here, like deductible, will also appear on patient statements. When you're finished, click Apply Payments. If a secondary payer is available, Chart Talk will prompt you to submit the claim electronically. The Autopost screen helps streamline your payment workflow by centralizing remits, payments, and adjustments. Remember, marking a row as Done removes it from your working view, while marking a claim finished assigns any remaining balance to the patient. Electronic remits come directly from your clearinghouse, so if you're not receiving them from a payer, check with your clearinghouse for availability. Thanks for watching. With the Autopost screen, you can manage payments faster and with greater accuracy in Chart Talk.